Okay, so here we are. We're going to pick the Steam points giveaway winner. And how I do it, I use a tool called TubeBuddy to help me with the channel. And it's for YouTubers to do various things. And one of the cool things that it allows me to do is it has a tool called Pick a Winner. And how this works is it randomly picks a winner from the comments. So I pick the video, which is the Steam Points giveaway video. It then gives me the option to choose comments that must have a word or just all the comments. So we're just going to choose all the comments from everyone that's commented and given their Steam name. Now, just so you know that there have been people that have posted in the video that didn't put their Steam name. So if I pick someone that hasn't put their Steam name, I won't be choosing you. Or if I've picked someone that is just making a general comment, again, I won't be choosing you. I'll only be choosing someone that has given their Steam name. And then what I'll do is I will put a comment, I'll reply to that person's comment and saying you've won, and then I'll make the transfer. So let's give it a go. So yeah, just to reiterate, only those that have given their Steam name will be chosen. If it selects someone that's just commented or has just not said anything without giving their Steam name, then we'll do it again until we've picked someone. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it's Izzo. Steam name Project X. I imagine that's a space, no underscore there. So you have won 241,000 Steam points. I'm giving you them all. So I will look for your comment and then I will reply saying you've won, and then I will make the transfer today. So congratulations. Leave a comment and look out for those Steam points, buddy. Thanks again.